Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit Watchlist on Thinkorswim Full Guide. Click the Watchlist header, choose Edit Items, and type the ticker symbols you want to add or remove. Use comma separation for multiple entries and press Enter to save each addition. To delete, highlight a symbol and choose Remove or Press Delete on your keyboard. I will also show how to reorder items and save custom lists for quick access. When adding symbols, type tickers directly into the edit box and use commas for multiple entries to speed the process. To remove unwanted tickers, highlight them and select Remove or press the Delete key to clear entries quickly. Be sure to press Enter after editing so changes take effect, and use the Save option to preserve custom lists across sessions. I'll guide you through reordering and renaming lists next so everything stays organized. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds subtle audio alerts for your watch list and can blend into your trading setup for timely cues. Check the description for the product link and other deals to pick one up easily and enjoy the small upgrade to your desk. Now let's get back to the video. Reordering is easy with drag and drop. Move symbols into the order you want for quicker scanning during trading. Use the list menu to duplicate or rename lists, which helps separate watch lists by strategy or sector. Create new lists for different goals and save your workspace so arrays remain when you reopen Thinkorswim. I'll also cover syncing, keyboard shortcuts, and quick tips to speed up your routine without disrupting your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.